Hello students, welcome to question hour session of Ajmal IS Academy. Here we will be discussing 5 MCQs from the daily newspaper The Hindu and Indian Express. So let's start the session. Our first question is on Sikai Kora, which was recently seen in news. Statement A says a Tamil Brahmi inscription found in Egypt. Statement B says a Chola period bronze sculpture returned to India from the United States. Statement C says a Sangam era port located in Malabar coast. And statement D says a Prakrit inscription discovered at Roman amphitheater in Italy. Here the correct answer is statement A, that is a Tamil Brahmi inscription found in Egypt. Let's move on to question number 2. Question number 2 is regarding the recommendation of the 16th Finance Commission. Statement 1 says it recommended increasing the state's share in vertical devolution from 41% to 45%. This is an incorrect statement as it has recommended to retain state's vertical devolution in 41%. Statement 2 says the Commission did not agree to include cess and surcharges in divisible pool of central taxes. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says a new criterion recognizing states' contribution to GDP was introduced in horizontal devolution. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 2 and 3, that is A. Let's move on to the third question. The third question is regarding taxes shared between center and the state. Options here are corporation tax, personal income tax, central goods and service tax, and property tax. Here the correct answer is 1, 2 and 3 as this is not shared between state and center. So answer here becomes C, that is only 3. Let's move on to the fourth question. The fourth question is regarding women farmer in India. Statement 1 says the UN has declared 2026 as International Year of the Women Farmer due to persistent gender gap in agriculture. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says women constitute more than 40% of India's agriculture workforce. This is a correct statement. Statement 3 says women account for nearly 1/3 of the overall land holding in India. This is a correct statement as women account for only about 14% of overall land holding in India. So answer here becomes 1 and 2, that is A. Let's move on to the fifth and the final question. The fifth and the final question is regarding new astronomical telescope in India. Statement 1 says the National Large Solar Telescope will be ground-based solar observatory operating in visible and near-field wavelength. This is a correct statement. Statement 2 says the National Large Optical Near Infrared Telescope will use 3 optical lenses. This is a correct statement as it will use small hexagonal mirrors. Statement 3 says both the telescope will be set up in the Union Territory of Ladakh. This is a correct statement. So answer here becomes 1 and 3, that is B. That's all for today, and you can find all this question in our social media platform. Thank you.